Cause in the shadows I'm the angry wolf you fear. But I can see that you're the only evil creature here.
Before you came we lived in peace, but you have brought us death.
I sing my pain up to the moon, but it's a waste of breath. Cause I don't speak human, you can't understand what I'm saying. I don't speak human, you can't understand what I'm saying. Upon a wing, a flying thing, to you I seem so small. But I look down on what you've done, my raven's eyes sees all.
You people like a cancer grow, destroying all you see.
And 7 billion mutant monkeys won't listen to me. Cause I don't speak human, you can't understand what I'm saying. I don't speak human, you can't understand what I'm saying. Run this human race, your war is not for me. I hear the voices from the void, they told me how to see.
It's us who are the strangers here, and we don't own the land.
My word they fall upon their fears, cause no one understands. Cause I don't speak human, you can't understand what I'm saying. I don't speak human, you can't understand what I'm saying. No, you tell me that I'm wrong, and animals don't feel. You say the earth is not alive, and only we are real.
You try to tell me to behave, that I must act like you,
but I just stick my fingers in my ears and say, fuck you! Cause I don't speak human, I can't understand what you're saying.